Hello guys, welcome back to the shop. I just received the package from China. Let's see what is inside. Okay, first we have, alright, that will give you an idea what is inside, right? This is a gift, nice. Okay, we have what I have here. One obstacle avoidance system. Nice. Serious box. Here. Well, just a charger, USB charger. We have a light or a sensor. Rails. Here, wires. Another sensor. Okay. Small batteries, 3,500. Two. One memory card. Two, 5, 6. Okay, 6. Probably 56 gigabytes. I don't believe. Probably this one is not good. One card reader. One multi-charger. One cable with USB-C, two USB-C, and one. No, all USB-C. All right. Okay. Here we have one K-11 turbo. Wow, this looks nice. A little bit of damage here. Right. Take a picture of that. Where is it? Okay. Well, perfectly wrapped. This nice container. Wow, really nice. Wow, nice, good quality. Let's see what is inside. And padding. Wow, here we go. Another battery. Some miscellaneous parts. Let me see. These are the spare propeller blades. More charging wires. Look at this. Really nice controller with a screen. Include a screen. Antennas. Alright. Okay. The quality looks good. Nice. Here you have the SD card slot, charging. The joystick must be somewhere else. Different buttons, functions, trims, rotation. Nice. And they are loaded, spring loaded. Nice. Okay, let's see the beast. Oh, right. Which one first? This one first. Okay. 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 And okay. Wow. It's quite a big drone. Sticky. Camera is here. The camera protector is here, but it was disengaged. Yeah, this is how it should go. Then you have, well, what I know, these sensors are not functioning or functional, but I will check later. These sensors are functional. Okay, this is the battery. Wow, the size is nice, huh? It's probably 50 cm across. Really nice. Alright, this is what is inside. Let me see what. Okay, here when you install the GPS. Actually, it's what they call a obstacle avoidance system, right? It goes here. There's a small plug there to plug on these pegs. Alright, I think that's how it goes. Okay. This other, we have a small manual here. GPS. Okay, good. Here we have a first in Chinese, second is in English, so it's okay. Nice. Ooh, I'll need to get my big glasses for this one. Alright, all the instructions, how to charge. Very good. So this one is to charge also the batteries. You can charge up to 3 batteries at the same time. That's good. Alright. Okay, what I'm not 100% sure is what is this, because it comes with a lot of small like rubber bands. One the Velcro, 2 Velcros. What's this? That's it. I'm getting old, guys. I'm getting old. Alright. Strobe. These are strobe lights. These are strobe lights. Different types of the strobe lights. Oh, strange that they come separate. You need to charge it. So, looking at the shape, this should go here, something like this, right? Around the arm of this one. This is strange, that it's not already built in, because I received only 2. So how to get orientation with this one, I don't know. Okay, we will see. Alright, this is interesting. I have a 3 battery to start with, so I think for the size of battery probably is 10 to 12 minute flight time from this ones. Alright, thank you for watching. See you soon in the field when I manage to fly and test this drone, the K-11 Turbo, and see how it goes. Alright, thank you very much. Have a good day.